Morning, folks. Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Here we go. We're continuing the Class C stairwell entry steps repair or rebuild, actually. I'll turn it around a little bit. Remember, there's your custom-made box, right? Remember I told you see, there wasn't screws here holding it, so I'm gonna put screws there, which I already did, and then I did them here, right? The original 3, and then the original 3, right? And now I'll show you something. When you're working by yourself, let me put this on pause real quick. All right, so what I use is just a car scissor jack with a little power, and that will push that whole box mechanism up in there and hold it for me. I'm a one-man operation, you know. Got tired of paying people $30 an hour to be a helper, and they never showed up. So I turned my garage into a school, but there it is, folks. What we're going to do, well, you caught me laying down on a job again. What we're going to do is drop that out of there now and put a rubberized undercoating on the outside all over. And then we're going to seal it up with some SB40, which is a very good product. And we'll go from there, and then it'll be permanent. And then we'll mount the stairs right there, manual pull out. They'll be bolted underneath, right? There you go. So it'll be looking nice. Now there'll be another video after this. Once I pull it out, I'll show you where I sprayed it and all, and I gotta let it dry. But I head out on vacation here this coming Saturday, which is, what's today? Thursday? No, Wednesday. Today's Wednesday. I'm retired. I'm just playing around, making a couple side bucks and helping people with their RV. He chose not to help me with this one, so it'll cost him a little more. All right, so remember, test not guess is the motto. The Facebook page is over 25,000 members. That's RV Diagnostics and Troubleshooting. The other one is the website where I do one-on-one with you. You know the routine. It's $118 a year, $9.30 a month. No, you can't sign up for just a month. Where are you going to get an RV tech to teach you step-by-step troubleshooting? Go to the website and you will see hundreds of videos, of testimonial videos that people are just saving thousands of dollars. But what's more important is their RV's still up and running and they're camping and having fun. So it's a nice two-edged sword. One, you get to learn your RV. And 2, you get to camp more. And after about a year with me, you get to troubleshoot your own RV without me being there. But a lot of people still sign up because every now and then you have a little bit of a problem. But trust me, hundreds and hundreds and almost over 1,000 people have learned how to do that. Troubleshoot their own RV and be self-sufficient. I ain't worried about if you know your neighbor's RV. It's just, I want you to figure out yours. All right, so safe travels. May your campfires burn bright till we meet again, whether it be here on the Facebook page, the YouTube channel, the website, my email, jeff@rvdiagnostics.com. Email me, talk to me, put a comment down here on the YouTube channel. Please subscribe. It's almost 4,000 members. The other one is you could meet me at the garage, 22480 Bloxham School Road, Seaford, Delaware, 19973. Do not just show up. I have 50 amp service, water, sewage in the back. All right. So do not just show up because I'll ask you to leave. You have to give me at least a 2-week notice, 3-week notice, because I'm camping sometimes. You can come up. We got a built-in swimming pool when it's hot. We got a hot tub when it's cold. But for darn sure, one thing we're going to do is we're going to grill. I'm not much of a drinker, but you can have a beer or whatever, but you have to act accordingly. Nice. I have a wife and 2 black lab dogs. We're dog friendly. We have a yard encased. We have 3 acres of ground in the back so you can park. All right, so folks, it's a school and it's a repair garage. Thank you very much. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics.